How to delete search history on YouTube. Let's dive into the tutorial. Firstly, open YouTube app. Launch the YouTube app and make sure you are signed into your account. Once you're inside the YouTube app, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the settings in the top right corner. Now select Manage All History to open the full YouTube history. Now you can see the delete drop-down option available there. Once you tap on the delete drop-down, you will get to see 3 options available. From there, you can see delete all time, delete today or custom range. Choose delete all time if you want to clear everything, and choose delete today or custom range if you want to clear only specific dates. Here I am choosing delete all time. Now a confirmation will appear and I have deleted all time history of my YouTube. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.